privately held parade. And by the way, they're not excluding anybody. They're just saying you can't have signs. They are literally excluding people. They're saying you can't have signs. And they said the same thing.
That is a First Amendment violation right there. You can't.
Rob Astorino couldn't march with signs today. Other groups couldn't march with signs. It's their right to set the rules.
During the Loda campaign, talking about not marching with signs, we went to certain parades and they wouldn't let us carry our signs, and other Democratic candidates carry theirs. We accepted
I'm sure you loved
we
that
moved
was
on.
the case.
No, my point is, we went on, accepted the rules, and continued to march, did what we had to do on the sides and so forth. You know, you can't sit here and say that it's a matter of free speech to carry a sign in your parade and carry whatever message you want. You can march in the parade. There's no question about what your sexual orientation is to march in the parade. Yeah. That's not the question here. Look, the question is what you're allowed to display when you're marching in the parade, and the Supreme Court has agreed that the way that they're handling this is the way they're allowed to handle it, and it is their right. The Constitution says you can speak freely. That is correct. You can speak freely. You cannot do it in the middle of a parade and carry the signs you want, and the Supreme Court agrees with them.
But was it the right thing to do?